I believe that if we assume that we have learned something through illness, we can also learn something even if we are no longer ill. If the illness lasts for a year, it means that you haven't learned enough, so I think it's a bit strange to say that since it's a learning experience, it can't be cured. That's the opposite position. Therefore, even if we say that we cannot cure the disease because we have learned from it, and that we need to watch it as it is not just a matter of treating the patient if he or she says he or she doesn't like it. I don't touch things that are good or bad, what you can do, and what you can't do. However, I simply stand by with the stance that I will try to fix it somehow when I receive a request. I don't mean to criticize anyone who says that, but that's just how we think about it. Rather than thinking about it, all of my employees are the same. Therefore, the fact that there is a process of becoming ill means that we can see the path, and we unconsciously sense the path. That means I think the path to return is still open. We exist based on ideas similar to that. I don't know where it came from, but I feel that it came from somewhere, entered my body, and was born. Holograms are the end of this path.